This is pie. This is pie. This is also pie. At the Pi Day, let's learn about some mathematics vocabulary. In this video, you'll learn those words about prism, pyramid, cube, sphere, cone, cylinder, plane shapes, mathematical symbols. Hi there, I'm Hong, with a master's in teaching Chinese as a foreign language and 9 years of experience. I'm excited to share video lessons with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And you can download flashcards for free. Just check the link in the description box below. Disclaimer: I've made every effort to verify and ensure the accuracy of the English translation. However, as a Chinese language expert, I am not as familiar with the English terminology in mathematics. If there are any errors or omissions, please feel free to let me know. I will make sure to note any corrections in the description box. Prism 角柱體 A prism, also known as a 角柱體, 角柱 or 菱柱, has a straightforward name in Chinese. If you have already watched the counting from 1 to 100, then you'll understand it. Just adding one corner means adding 1. So, by learning 角柱體 and counting numbers, you've already grasped the concept. 三角柱體 三角柱體 四角柱體 四角柱體 五角柱體 五角柱體 六角柱體 六角柱體 Pyramid 角錐 A pyramid, also known as a 角錐體 or 菱錐, is similar to a prism in that adding one corner means adding 1. Isn't it simple? The meanings of these Chinese characters 角錐體柱 are on the screens. 三角錐體三角錐體四角錐體四角錐體五角錐體五角錐體六角錐體六角錐體 Others 其他正立方體正立方體球體球體圓錐體圓錐體圓柱體圓柱體 Plane shapes 平面形狀心形心形 星形，星形，圓形，圓形，橢圓形，橢圓形，正方形，正方形，長方形，長方形，菱形，菱形，平行四邊形，平行四邊形，三角形，三角形，梯形，梯形，五邊形，五邊形，六邊形，六邊形。Mathematical symbols 數學符號，加，加，減，減，乘，乘，除，除，等於，等於，開方根，開方根，未知數，未知數，圓周率，圓周率，or just say it as pi, pi. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment, and share with a friend. For flashcards, worksheets, and all my notes, join my Patreon, link in the description. I'll keep uploading more systematic Cantonese learning videos soon. See you next time. Bye bye.